Benue government don't go demolish buildings where they belong to bandits and kidnappers. In fact, this one suits me for body. On a try, see bandits don't gather property. Kidnapper don't get house. We are average Nigerian where they work 247 morning and night, they sweat. The person never even buy tire. He never even buy one bag of cement, talk less of say he won't build house. Now then these bandits don't gather build house. At least and then these Benue people I like on tactics. At least now they try to tackle something. Don't be like our Buhari, we say they just sit down for one place, no they do anything. At least you don't come outside now, you don't take one step. Of on our city, fine houses. Where then these people they build? On our go ask me, I beg, where then these people they see this money? Where on they see this money from? Better houses, oh. Kidnappers' house. Hey, where be said they go they kidnap innocent people, children. Come they bear cast and say they bring big money. Now I know what they use all this money they do. My people are beg. Make her not to talk, make her use her eye. See for herself.
Most wanted terrorists and bandits.
What you are seeing here today is a demolition of criminal kidnappers' hideout. This is the second place, the second hideout. This is one of the criminal surrogates of Zone 2, the most wanted terrorists and bandits in Benue State, Sagrazi's surrogate who has been buying houses and ammunitions for him around within Makurdi Metro. And this is the first wife of the Azonto. They were tracked and nabbed in one of the hideouts with millions of money, which was meant to purchase arms and ammunition and other properties like a criminal hideout like this. Make sure we flush them out.
And I don't see them in this big house where they destroy. I beg, see on top of people sweat, people money. I beg, I hope say not be only the demolition that they happen. I hope say arrest self they join this whole thing. And as it be like this, they catch two people, two members. The woman, see her face. You go listen and one kind innocent woman. This woman no go believe say this woman they support her husband be one of the gun runner. And they talk say this house is where they even go demolish. It belong to one of the wanted, in fact, most wanted criminal bandit kidnapper. Only you, all this name joined together for you. This man they call him Cephas Shekere, also known as Azonto. Azonto, they find you. You can't they go gather money, build better houses, go hide for somewhere. Put your family and some people for there. And I see all these bandits. And the one where they vex me, now the woman. This woman now, she knows say na wetin her husband they do. But she go they do like say she no know. And people go they see her, say they go they fear her. Make this woman do bad for that community. I swear, even the king no go fit do anything. Because he go they reason as, this woman a bandit wife, and this one wife. Now as they even go scatter this place, they see 30 rounds of AK-47 and AK-47 inside this house, and people they live inside. They know about this thing. And I say our Nigerian brothers. And I say all these bandits people. If nobody say they catch them, these people, now this woman go there, they enjoy her life. Go they live life. Person go see her say, I they envy this woman. I won't be like this. You know, go don't say, you walk when your husband they do. Now thief, kidnapping, only you. You gather all these kind of bad things. I beg, and now I even understand why government say, make them know they pay them these bandits. Now I support them these government officials. Because money where they give them these people, that the reason go do another thing. Now then they go to set up their life. One day now they will come out and say they don't give their life to Christ. They don't change. After they don't destroy so many homes. After they don't kill so many people. Now they will come wake up saying all this way they do is in the past. Maybe people forgive them. But the one way they do now in the presence, they know they talk. This has on to now where they for one place they hide. Una know how many property this man go don even gather? I sure say this one wey dey break sef na just few. Na just some, because I know say him go get, in fact, him go get person wey dey buy this thing under him name. They suppose even find that person sef. They suppose find them because they work together. These people, they be accomplished. They be thief together. Una go gather, call person, kidnap person pikin, call the parent, they request for ridiculous money. 50 million. Tell me what we say, you know say before this person go see this thing, the person go almost sell. In fact, all in sweat sef, he go use our hustle to gather that money. You know, I can't do it for free. Say, collect the money, go use and do another thing. In fact, this one way then this government is sweet me. I wish they go find them, these people say, gather them, all these accomplices, all these gun runner and their accomplice, all of them. Make them bundle them together, give them the right law where they deserve. Because they don't overdo this thing. Today kidnapping, tomorrow this one. And we know they see them these people. But as they don't know this person, I hope say they go find these people. Whether not by juju, whether not by spiritual, making ourselves work. Not every time we wait say the police they find them these people. Sometimes all these people now know they see them because of say waiting. They use juju join. You feel they even see them for face, so but if you pass them, another thing will they see. So I beg make it work. Governor, this one I be the government and I don't try. Benue State people, now don't try, now don't even make me happy because this one now you don't carry step. I show say other governments and other people say they go come out and work on their own self. All these people they terrorize them, and nothing say they go find these people, can go do what they supposed to do to them. Because you know, just leave people they walk out freely just like that. Where you know say these people they do bad thing. In fact, on a thank you. I hear this one, of course, make I bring and come inside, making myself is not here. Everything they happen. Make not forget to like and share this video so that everybody self will see what they yarn about. I will see you now for our next video.